It's the Phoenix, Arizona weather discussion. This is for Wednesday, the 23rd of November. I'm Michael Groff. It is Thanksgiving Eve, the busiest travel day of the year, and weather will not be a problem for most of the country. All of the airports across the nation not expecting any weather-related delays, at least. And this nice weather for us will continue all the way through the weekend. Maybe a pattern change, though, as we head out toward about the first half of next week. All right, let's get into it here. Taking a look at the almanac from yesterday. 75 degrees the afternoon high, 48 was the morning low. Normal high 73, normal low 51. And as we take a look outside right now, the 6 a.m. observation at Phoenix Sky Harbor International Airport showed mostly clear sky, 48 degrees out there, dew point at 28. Humidity 46%, calm wind barometer steady. The upper air weather pattern around the nation still shows kind of a split flow ongoing. The main belt of westerlies to the north. The southern branch of the jet a little bit more active. A short wave came through here, created some clouds yesterday as that moves off to the east. Maybe some gusty winds around as the pressure gradient tightens up, especially tonight and tomorrow over parts of the Colorado River Valley and the Mojave Desert. But really around here, some light breezes and temperatures remaining pretty close to normal. The watch warning map, some air stagnation issues over parts of Oregon and Idaho up around Boise, some winter weather further to the north and east from there. But as you can see, most of the nation extremely quiet. You know, we can have some very nasty weather this time of year, but that's not what we're going to see. All right, here is the convective outlook for today. No organized areas of severe weather around the nation. And precipitation, this is valid through Wednesday morning of next week. Rain amounts in Phoenix, probably nothing or very little, if anything. Statewide, some light totals possible up north as a weather system will come through here about Monday night, Tuesday, or Tuesday night of next week, and that could give us at least some breezy conditions, cooler temperatures, and a small chance we could see some rain and mountain snow. Let's talk about that and everything else going on with our weather now as we dive into the models, have a look at it. This is the GFS. It is the 06Z run, valid 2 o'clock this afternoon. A ridge is building in over the Pacific Northwest and along the West Coast. That short wave is moving off to the east, forming an upper low that will eventually create some rain for the southern plains states. But for us down at the surface, mostly sunny, just another Chamber of Commerce day, highs upper 60s and low 70s. Tonight, clear sky. Some breezes start to pick up late tonight across the Colorado River up toward the Mojave Desert, the Hoover Dam, southern Nevada. But again, not too much for us, lows in the 40s. And then tomorrow for Thanksgiving Day. Oh, if you want to have it outside, go right on ahead. Weather will not be a hamper at all. Look at this. Sunny sky for us, high temperatures, upper 60s, low 70s, a perfect day. Pretty much average temperatures for us this time of year. And then Friday, yeah, looks like another beautiful day. Sunny. Highs, upper 60s, low 70s. The weekend looks nice, too. Mostly sunny Saturday. Maybe a few more clouds on Sunday, but high temperatures each day, upper 60s, low 70s. Overnight lows mainly in the 40s. Here's Monday. A trough is now developing and sliding down the West Coast. We'll watch that feature with time, but for us on Monday, some clouds and high temperatures again, pretty close to 70, maybe the low 70s. By Tuesday, that system comes on in here, but the latest run of the GFS shows a much shallower solution here and less moisture. So while I do anticipate at least a small chance of rain for us here in the deserts, better chances of precipitation found up north, and even there should just be some light rain and higher elevation snow. Breezy conditions, cooler, high temperatures here, probably low to middle 60s. Models pretty much agree on a much cooler regime for us by about the middle of next week. Speaking of, here's a week from today. This is Wednesday, the 30th. Troughing sliding off to the east now. Drier northwesterly flow behind it. We look very comfortable here with highs probably in the mid-60s. Going out 10 days. This is Friday, the 2nd of December. Another system potentially coming down the West Coast. And really around here, that looks dry with fairly seasonal temperatures. All right, checking out rainfall for Phoenix. And this goes out through the 7th of December, coming off of the GFS ensemble. The mean is still well under a quarter of an inch. We're not really anticipating significant rain chances. And in fact, members are starting to back off of rain for next week, although some still show that as a possibility. But no significant rainfall expected during the next couple of weeks. And then temperatures off the national blend of models. maybe low 70s for the next several days. And then as we get into early and middle part of next week, you can see highs dropping into the low 60s, lows down to around 40. And that's at Sky Harbor Airport. At some point, maybe at the middle part of next week, many valley locations could be down in the 30s, and some of those outlying areas might even need to cover up your plants for the first time this year. And that's going to do it for the Phoenix, Arizona weather discussion for today. My next video, due back here tomorrow morning. Yes, we'll have an update for you on Thanksgiving. Otherwise, if you enjoy these videos, then be sure to subscribe, like, share, click that notification bell, leave those comments, questions, and suggestions. The executive producer of the Phoenix, Arizona weather discussion is my one and only Michelle. You guys be safe. Thank you so much for watching. All of your continued support, it is greatly appreciated. And have yourselves a beautiful Wednesday.